What's going on, guys? What's going on? Some reason I don't think you guys can see me. I don't think you guys can see me. Can you guys see me on the camera? Let me know. Let me know if you can see me on the camera, guys. I think it's acting up a little bit. Yeah. Okay. Give me a second here. I'm gonna go backstage for a second and see what's going on. Was working a minute ago. Just give me 1 sec, guys. Gotta figure this out. Gotta figure. I don't know why this isn't working. It was working a minute ago. I'm sorry, guys. Sorry, guys. I don't know why. Maybe it'll kick back in. Who knows, right? Who knows? But for now, you can't see me. I'm like John Cena up in here tonight, all right? Can't afford a new camera. Oh, man. All right. So, yeah. So we'll just go camera-less for now, I suppose, and give you guys a few minutes to come on into the stream. See what everybody's doing. Howdy. Leaving my tab open. I've not noticed a single feed in 2 days. YouTube scam. Wow. Unbelievable. Still trying to figure this out. It's pissing me off a little bit. I don't see you. Can't see you. Okay. Yeah. What's up, Boomer? Good to see you, man. Good to see you. Even though you can't see me. Yeah, I have to go backstage to kind of fix that. So. Still working on it here, guys. Sorry. Yeah, it just doesn't want to work, eh? Doesn't want to work. Oh, well. What else going on? Sergio, what's up, buddy? Good to see you, man. Austin, no worries. Tara, how you doing? We'll just do that. It's an AI scam. It's not even Rob. It's just his voice. Scam. Unbelievable. Yeah. So unbelievable. Stupid camera. Oh, well. Anyway, how's everybody doing, man? Hope everybody's doing good this evening. This threw off my whole groove, man. It threw off my whole freaking groove. Unbelievable. Anyway, guys, if you're new, hit the subscribe button because eventually you'll be able to see me. Stupid camera. Yeah, still trying to get it done. I'm going to try something here, guys. I'm going to try something real quick. Bear with me here. Aha! He's back. There we go. Can you guys see me okay now? Must have got the wrong spell token, eh? Time is money. We're still waiting on the PDL. Yes, we are. Yes, we are. I'm all over it, guys. Believe me, I'm on top of it. Waiting for the latest and greatest. Batlender, what's up, man? Hey there, Jasmy Future Millionaires, 100%. This is the way, foo. Jasmy is the way. Absolutely, man. We see ya. Nice. Juicy Jam. Juicy Jasmy. 100%. 100%, guys. So just kind of giving you guys some time to come into the chat here. Bitcoin's just a hair under 65K, which isn't bad. Jasmy's holding above 20 cents. Looking good there, guys. Got some good DC opportunities, though. Stupid hiccups. Yeah. I mean, look at that. Look at the opportunities, guys. Pick up some Stronghold, maybe some Taraxa, some Pith. Some good opportunities, guys. Definitely. What's Ondo doing, actually? 81 cents. Very nice. Very nice. So, yeah, guys. So I got a suggestion, and I looked into it, and I think I figured out a happy medium here, because some people don't want the membership side to merge with the Patreon. So what I was able to do is I just created a second tier for the member side that's the same cost as the Patreon, and I'm able to upload the Patreon videos to that tier level of the member side. So if you want the member or the Patreon content, but you want to stay over on YouTube, then you can just up to that tier level and you'll have access to that content. Good compromise. Good compromise, guys. Awesome. This is the way. 2 cents. Yes, absolutely. Oh, good. It erased my freaking it erased all my stuff. Awesome. There's far more content on the Patreon side. There's far more content, and there's more personal content on there too. A lot of stuff, early stuff in terms of kind of projects that are starting to catch my eye. What I'm thinking about them before I bring them out over to YouTube. When I first start doing research into projects and stuff, and what I'm finding, you get tidbits of information and updates on that stuff. There's going to be a Discord for that as well. What else? All kinds of stuff. We're also going to be teaching about the candles, candle formations, what they mean, the bullish ones, the bearish ones, the patterns on the charts. We're going to be teaching that kind of stuff over there as well. So there's a lot of bonus stuff over there. A lot of bonus stuff. There'll be multiple Patreon live streams in a week as well. So yeah. So that's the difference. It's kind of a tier level above. So erased my stuff here, man. What do we got? No, what? Give me my bar. There we go. So we kind of just been like, oh my God. I am just out of it tonight. Why is this not working? Anyway, I'm having a hell of a night. What do we got for Bitcoin? Got two. Yeah, this is the one on the daily. We've got two neutral candles on the daily for Bitcoin, so it's kind of indecisive on what it wants to do, which is not a bad thing. Not a bad thing at all. Let's go over to I like to leave it on the 15. Ooh, look at that. Look at that run up and then right back down again. Holy smokes. Very nice. Very nice. See if we can get it pumping here, guys. See if we can get it pumping. Go to the 15 over on JASMY as well. JASMY's pumping too. Look at that candle. Look at that candle. Put some stank on it, baby. Let's go. All right. Let's have a dump. I get paid tomorrow. Nice. Content with my JASMY bag. Grabbed Quant, XDC, XNO on the last dip. Nice. Very, very nice, man. Very, very nice bags for sure. Definitely Quant is a great one as well. Very bullish on Quant. Make sure we're streaming. Yeah, we're streaming over on X. So yeah, guys, you can up your tier level there on the member side if you want. If you want to be a member, you want to get the Patreon content, guys. I'm gonna put that in the chat right now, so you can go ahead and do that. You'll get the Patreon content as well. So yeah, check that out. Anyway, let's get into some of the stuff here, guys. JASMY's printing one hell of a candle here right now. As soon as we go live, guys, that's all we do is win, right? That's all we do is win. Bitcoin as well. So we're pumping the market here. We are pumping the market juicy. All right, what else do we have? What do we got going on tonight, guys? Kind of a somber night tonight, eh? Keep in mind, the demand for BTC ETFs are only going to increase as Hong Kong is about to launch trading. The supply per day from miners has been cut in half, only 450 per day. That inflow will rotate down into altcoins. Yes. Absolutely, man. That's what I've been saying to you guys for a while. Like the bullish, like the supply and demand crunch, guys. I know we've been talking about it, and it's like, okay, but where is it, guys? It's gonna happen, and it's gonna happen fast, and you're just gonna be like, where did this come from, right? I'm telling you right now where it's coming from, right? Coming from good places, man. Good places. Boom, Shane. Welcome over to the member side, guy. Did you just your account? Let me know, man. Let me know, brother. Welcome over though, Shane. Welcome, my friend. Yeah, you did. You did. You upgraded it. So yeah. So tonight, all of the content that I have been putting over on the Patreon, I'm going to upload it onto the upper tier level of YouTube for the member side. So that'll be uploaded today, and moving forward, you'll get all that content as it comes out, man. So definitely, thanks for the support, brother. Much, much appreciated, man. All right. What else do we have, guys? What else do we have going on out there, man? You guys are quiet tonight. I'm surprised. Awesome, Shane. Awesome. Thanks for upgrading, man. I'm just letting you know, I'm going to start uploading the videos, like I was saying. The videos that are over on the Patreon, I will add them to that tier level that you're on. And then, yeah, and then keep an eye out for those videos and live streams that will be put over to that members tier level starting today. So keep an eye out for that stuff, brother. Steve here, I'm sorry I'm late. Was in the Discord. Hey, no problem, man. No problem. David, in my opinion, the advantages of the Japanese market are 1, regulations, 2, building use cases with listed companies, 3, patents and IP, and 4, an exchange market where only Japanese can participate. Yeah, there's a lot of advantages, definitely. Very, very. Also, I mean, you know, their tendency to do things properly the first time as well, David. Like JASMY's a perfect example of it, right? They might do things a little slower, but they do it right the first time, right? And I really like that as well. Isaac, I became a member a couple days ago. Yes, I saw that, brother. I think that was last night, wasn't it? Last night or Friday. Awesome, man. It's awesome to have you in the family, my brother. Welcome aboard. It's awesome to have you here, man. That is what Hara said. Yes. Well, absolutely. Yeah. I thought it was familiar. Yeah. I thought that was familiar. So a quote from Hara. Absolutely, man. Abso-frickin-lutely. All right. What else do we got going on? Okay. So let's see. Sorry, guys. That whole camera thing really messed me up. I'm discombobulated now because of the camera thing. Pissed me off. I got all flustered and stuff. So, Steffes Crypto says so many people have gotten shaken out. Saying 1K says only the strong survive. 100% agree, man. Only the strong survive in JASMY. Hey, our community are big fans of JASMY and you, your channel. They're also XRP holders as well. Can we take a look at XRP and would love to hear your opinion on it, about XRP? Absolutely, Mewtwo Solana. I'm a massive fan of XRP. I've been holding XRP since before the lawsuit, and then when the lawsuit hit, and the price crashed, I actually just dollar cost average like crazy in XRP for about 2 years of the lawsuit. Because I see my price target for XRP is about $7 to $13 in this bull run, right? So I see big things for it coming up. I think it was massively suppressed in the last bull run, and it's going to do just amazing this time around. So absolutely, man. Very, very bullish on XRP. A lot of people use clickbait talking about the settlement between Ripple and the SEC, but it's irrelevant to the price of XRP in the secondary market. It's going to fly, man. It's going to fly, in my opinion. Love XRP. Danny, good morning, man. Good morning. Good morning. Isaac, as a member, how do I get notified when you're taking profits? We're actually, Isaac, what we're going to do. Well, first of all, I send out buy and sell alerts, so you'll get notifications over on YouTube about my buy and sell alerts and stuff. But besides that, when it comes time for the altcoin season and we start taking profits and selling and stuff, we're going to be doing members only live streams every single day, because we want to make sure that all of you guys, including myself, that everyone is making their exit strategies properly, their dollar cost averaging out of the market, and everything's working out. They're not having troubles. They're not struggling. And that's how we're going to be doing it. We're going to be doing it every day, man. So you don't have anything to worry about there, brother. Pop-Tart Eater, what's up, buddy? Waiting for AWT to melt faces. Oh, it's going to be a good one, brother. It's going to be a good one. Dan the man, Danny, my man, Danny. All right, what else do we got going on, guys? Oh yes, here we go. So quick little video here, guys. Time warp. This is why I keep telling you guys how early you guys are to crypto, right? Think about this. You're getting like, listen to what this has to say, and then you'll understand what I mean when I say you're so early, right? The world's changing very rapidly right now, guys, and you're in now, right? Not later.
I have to pay attention to the implications of the great disruptions that are going to take place, because the world will be radically different in 5 years, and it's going to go year by year, become radically different. Next elections, the debt situation, all of these things are going to change. And then with the new technologies, we're going to go, it's like going through a time warp. We're going to be in a different world. Okay. And the disruptors will be disrupted.
I could not agree more, guys. Things are going to start to change rapidly technologically in our societies moving forward very quickly. 5 years from now, you're going to be blown away at the technologies. No different than when we had the smartphones come out versus, those big bulky cell phones, right? Things are going to be like that, but in every aspect of our lives in our society, right? Especially with projects like JASMY, having the IoT, the RWA narrative that's going around, like everything's going to be tokenized. Things are going to be very, very different, very, very quick. And you're buying into these companies and these projects early, right? Before they revolutionize the way we do things, right? So that's why you need to understand you're early, guys. And there's going to be a lot of people that are getting in down the road that are going to be your exit liquidity, right? It's fan. So if you're here right now, congratulations. You've already made it. like I said, you're not broke, you're just pre-rich, right? So XRP is my biggest holding. Have most of the ISO coins added Velo and XNO lately to my portfolio. Jasmy's best ROI. Absolutely, yeah. XRP used to be one of my biggest holdings. I never sold any, but it got passed by project like KASPA and stuff like that because I got in so early on stuff like KASPA that the value of my KASPA bag just went through the roof when I was buying it at half a cent, and now it's like then it shot up to like 19, 18 cents or something, right? So, but XRP is still among my top projects for sure. I need talking points to convince my old lady to swoop up as much Jasmy as possible. Problem is we're 40 and she's old school. I believe me, I get it, man. I'm married too, and it took a while for me to make my wife understand and stuff like that. But she sees now. And like basically what you got to do is you got to kind of sit down when you're trying to explain things and just say, look, this is what I'm trying to do for us and our family, right? This is a chance to change our lives forever, our whole families, right? And at the end of the day, I think it was Jim Carrey that said it, right? You can fail at what you don't want to do in life. So you might as well take a chance on something spectacular, right? That's the way I look at it. Still miss my Nokia phone that had to charge like 3 or 4 days. Yeah, no kidding, eh? What is your opinion on how high Bonk will go this run? I don't know how high it will go, but it's going to have a good run in it. It's good. It's definitely like, where's Bonk? Let's have a look at it. Let's have a look at Bonk. How's Bonk doing these days, anyways? Like I could see Bonk crossing off maybe 2 zeros, but it's not going to get to a cent. Like I could see the third zero here getting to like a 1, maybe a 2. Bonk will have a good run, but outside of that, that's roughly where I see it going. It'll have a good run, similar to how Shiba Inu did from around the time that Vitalik Buterin was got 50% of the supply of Shiba Inu. From that point forward, I think that price appreciation is roughly what we'll see out of Bonk, something like that. Velo going higher once Orbit app released to public. Yes, yeah, we love Velo for sure. Bullish, Roderick, absolutely bullish, man, absolutely. May go to $1.50. Which project we talk? Jasmy talking about? Yeah. We see you. Nice. Rod, hey Rob, you look a lot better now. Have you heard about this this bull? Oh, this bull run starting early. I was like, is that a cow? What is that? Is that a bull? I've heard a lot of different people talking about like an abbreviated cycle that's going to end in December and stuff like that. I'm still sticking to my 4-year cycle thesis, to be honest with you, until I see something change. But in saying that, remember, guys, our dollar cost averaging and our exit strategy plans are very, very simple, right? We use Jasmy as an example here. If your price target for Jasmy is $1, you should be starting to lather your way out of it. I don't know, 52 cents, take 10% out, then 63 cents, take 10% out, 76%, take another 10% out. That's how you work your way out of the market, guys. Don't just hold it till $1 and hope you can sell it all at $1. $1 is going to be a very, very high psychological level for Jasmy. Okay, you have to remember that a lot of sell targets are going to be up there at $1. Okay, you want to front run people. You don't want to be on those round psychological numbers, right? 50 cents exactly, right? 45 cents exactly. You want to pick your targets to be odd numbers, 62 cents, not 65 cents or 60 cents, right? You see what I'm saying, guys? You want to front run things. Jasmy, yeah, honestly, yeah, I think $1.50 to $2 by the end of 2025, possibly higher. I tried explaining it to my own mom, and she refused to listen. So I'm just going to give her a check when she retires the bull run. Not really. Yeah. See, that's the best way to get people to listen to you when it comes to crypto, guys. Go through one full cycle, make life-changing wealth or life-altering. You might not be a millionaire yet, but make hundreds of thousands of dollars minimum. And then you could go back to your wife or your mom or whatever and say, look, this is what we've done. Imagine if we applied ourselves, right? That's the best way to get them to sit down, shut up, and listen, right? In my opinion, utility run, no COVID stimulus money like last bull run. Yes, it's going to be. I agree. Hello, hope everyone's feeling good about their Jasmy bags. 100%, man. 100%. Looking through Hara's plans, I overlooked a burn in Q2 in addition to lockups. Yes, I agree. I'm still waiting for that lockup announcement, though, man. Like, let's get this going here already, right? Let's get it going. Let's get it popping, guys. I'm staying on top of it, though, guys. I'll let you guys know a second we hear anything, right? Just so you guys know, Patreon link is in the chat if you want to join the Patreon. And also, guys, if you just want to, if you're already a member or you want to become a member, guys, there's also the option now. I created an option on the member side. You can just upgrade your member account to get the Patreon videos and stuff as well if you want to do it that way. The link is in the chat for both of those. So yeah, I mean, I'm really excited about a lot of the stuff we're going to be doing over there. So really excited. Hold 200K Jasmy at 1 cent 6. Hoping for maximum profits in the bag. Yeah, no kidding, man. No kidding. If we could get it, we can get it to $2 for you. That would be fantastic, right? Super fantastic. Do it. Another reminder for you guys as well. We have Run My Crypto. He's coming on the channel tomorrow evening. So if you want to be here tomorrow evening for that, we will have special guest Run My Crypto. He does a lot of Jasmy content and stuff. I think he covers Swift Coin, but I'm not sure. I'm pretty sure he does. He does some ICP stuff. But yeah, special guest tomorrow evening in the evening stream. Run My Crypto. So be here for that, guys. Make sure you're here for that. And you guys asked for it, right? You guys asked for it, so we made it happen. Lark Davis, if you're still bearish because of short-term geopolitical unrest, you need to learn how Bitcoin works. I agree. Too many people out there don't understand, man. They don't understand. They don't put in the work, and they panic. They panic. What else do we got? Check it out, guys. This is the thought. This made me think of Jasmy like right away. Right away made me think of Jasmy. It says, you always generate the greatest wealth by investing in something that you believe in before most others even understand it. Right? That says Jasmy all over it, guys. Only just under 68K holders, right? About to revolutionize data democracy and a lot of other things, right? Blockchain PC, so many different things, guys. So when you think of Jasmy, remind yourself of this. If you're ever feeling, doubting your conviction and stuff like that, remember this quote: you always generate the greatest wealth by investing in something that you believe in before most others even understand it, right? That's Jasmy, guys. That's Jasmy. You got to get a poster of that and put it on your wall. We'll definitely be here tomorrow for that. Absolutely, man. Jasmy needs to go to do the lockup already. They said end of March next week. Will be the end of April. Time to show up and stay in locked in Binance Innovation Zone. Well, to be fair, they don't have any control over Binance's decisions, right? All they can do is continue to conduct their business accordingly and hope that Binance gets their shit together. But Light, what's up, man? 3K Sports Unlimited, what's up, man? Hey, Rob. The Jasmy and Swift family in the house. Absolutely, man. Absolutely. You absolutely love to see that, man. All right, what else do we got, guys? What else do we got in the news? Oh, I'm on the wrong thing, man. All right, what do we got? So, Jasmy has incredible potential. On February 17th, Jasmy's AMA was held on Telegram. Mr. Hara, CFO of Jasmy Limited, answered several questions. There is also mention of an ecosystem that utilizes the PlayStation, which is familiar to Japanese people, and says, by harnessing the power of PlayStation devices and providing unused resources, we can turn a dormant PlayStation into an income-generating asset. That's what we envision. PlayStation device integration is our ultimate goal. That's from Hara, guys. That's from Hara. It's not from some YouTuber. It's not from some person on Twitter, right? I covered that AMA. I covered that, and I talked about it for weeks afterwards, right? That's why I keep saying to you guys, it's not a matter of if there's a partnership between Sony and Jasmy and the integration of the PlayStations and the GPUs. It's a matter of when. Period. Full stop. What's your favorite exchange? Well, I mean, I guess I'm obligated to say LBank because they're the channel sponsor, but I use KuCoin. To be honest with you, at the end of the day, my favorite, it used to be Binance, but they left Canada. My favorite has to be BitTrue. I love using BitTrue. I love KuCoin. I love BitTrue. I do like LBank. I like using LBank. They got some stuff in there you can't get anywhere else. I love their Copy Pro trading as well. I like MetaMask. As long as you're not using the Ethereum network, you're good, right? So, Sleepy Jasmy. Sleepy Jasmy. Hang on a second here. I want to show you why your pessimism is misplaced, and you need to stop having that way of thinking. You just said Sleepy Jasmy. Look at this chart, my friend. Sleepy Jasmy, what? You got to change your mindset, man, or you're going to fail in crypto. This is not sleepy, right? Rob, give yourself a pat on the back. You keep all of us informed with the latest news. We appreciate you more than you know. Hit that like. Thank you so much, Deathbank. I appreciate you too, man. I appreciate you too. And definitely, guys, like I feel that appreciation because honestly, like the amount of people that like, you know, they join as members, they jump over to the Patreon and stuff like that. Like that stuff's awesome, man. That stuff is absolutely awesome. So it's greatly, greatly appreciated. G-Baby, what's up, man? I haven't seen you in a couple days. Still excited about Jasmy. This coin is going to definitely go to $1, and I think way further. And of course, 100%, man. Roderick, good information. Thank you, brother. Thank you so much, man. It's awesome to have you here. GT, Rob, seriously, what's holding them back from following through with the lockup? I know it's only 100 million, but I thought the Japanese kept these. Yeah, I agree, man. I agree. I've been all over it. Listen, I was talking with Jesse today. Hoping to have him on the channel this week. He's going to come by in a couple of days, and we're going to talk about it, right? If you don't know who Jesse is, he's a Jasmy ambassador. He's a good friend of mine. We're going to have him on in a couple of days, and we're going to talk about it. So make sure you're here for that discussion, man. The secret to wealth, buy low, sell high. So buy now. Yes, exactly. What is Copy Pro trading? Copy Pro trading is basically over on LBank. You're able to, hang on. I'll give you a little example here, okay? Just bear with me for a moment, if you will. So, L Bank is our channel sponsor, as you guys know. So if you go to L Bank, the link is down below, by the way. This is their copy trading. You just click at the top to go to their copy trading, right? And then you can come down here and you can pick one of these. These are the traders, okay, that you can pick through. And basically what it will do is it will basically allow your account with whatever you put over there and decide to use to copy their trades automatically when they get in and out of stuff, right? And so right here we have this guy here. I don't know his name. Can't see his name, but this individual here, right? He's up 12,290% on his trades so far this month. So you can copy your account will automatically copy this person when they get in and out of trades, right? Your account will just do the same thing. You can just program it like that, and then if they get liquidated, you get liquidated. If they make a profit, you make a profit, right? If they're up 100%, you're up 100%. It just copies their trade based on the amount of money that you decide to use on your end, right? So that's what it is over on L Bank. If you want to check that out, use the link down below. I do it sometimes. So yeah, that's what that is. Steph says major buy signal is about to flash imminently on Bitcoin on the daily RSI, guys. So he figures we're about to see another run up on Bitcoin. Once the RSI line breaks above the downtrend line on the daily time frame, we're most likely going to see huge upside in the price. So Steph's Crypto thinks we're about to have a run up on the price of Bitcoin. Hopefully, knock on wood, Grayscale doesn't dump on us in the morning and we can see a nice green week, but we're going to have to kind of play it by ear, right, guys? See what happens with it, man. See what happens with it. What else do we got? Feels like kind of like a somber kind of night, doesn't it? Does it feel a little stoic this evening? Or is it just me? Everything JASMY drops, it pumps faster when you know it. Yes. Lots of good stuff ahead for the crypto future family. Absolutely, man. Absolutely, KK. Finally got 500K Swift, aiming for that at least 1 million. Nacho, my man. Good job, buddy. Good job. I bought some more Swift today myself, man. Hey, Rob and everyone else. Good to see you, man. Good to see you. All right. What else do we got? A couple of articles here. See if we can get some Bitcoin fees fall sharply after hit historical records on the halving day. All right, what do we got here? Reports on Cointelegraph, the average fee paid on Bitcoin has sharply fallen just a day after reaching a record average of $128 on April 20th. The day of the fourth Bitcoin halving. As of April 21st, Bitcoin fees have fallen to an average of $8 to $10 for medium priority transactions, according to mempool.space. Only one day before Bitcoin clocked 78.3 million in total fees, beating Ethereum by over 24 times, according to the crypto fees. Wow. The day included a staggering 37.7 Bitcoin and $2.4 million paid to Bitcoin miners via BTC in the Bitcoin halving block at block height 840,000, making it the most sought after price in digital real estate in the network's 15-year history. Much of the demand at block 840,000 came from meme coin and non-fungible token enthusiasts competing to inscribe the etch rare Satoshis via the Runes protocol, a new token standard that launched at the halving block. 3,050 transactions were included in that block, meaning the average user paid a little under $800. The higher than normal block fee continued until about block 840,200 according to the meme pool space. However, block fees have since fallen. Wow, crazy guys, crazy block fees, man. That is insane. Do you follow any crypto podcasts? No, I do not. However, it has been requested to me multiple times now that Max and I should start our own crypto podcast. So I don't know what you guys think about that. Let me know. If you held Jasmy back in the day, the OGs know how hard it pumps compared to other cryptos. Yes, agreed. Carlos, still no PDL launch. Not yet, man. Well, no, sorry, that's a half truth. That's a half truth. They have launched the PDL. You can only use it on Apple. You can't use it on Android. And it's in Japanese. So the instructions are in Japanese. However, if you need a tutorial on how to translate it from Japanese to English, one of our subscribers here, Crypto Queen, was kind enough to put a tutorial into our Discord on the main channel. You'll have to scroll up to find it. But you put a tutorial on how to do that. So if you're using Apple, you can in fact create your PDL now. You can participate in play to earn games on there. You can participate in surveys and questionnaires on there right now as well. So yes, technically it is. You just can't use it on Android yet. Pew pew, Jasmy's pumping as we speak. Let's go back to the chart. Boom, look at that. Oh, Jasmy's sleepy. Look at Bitcoin too. That's Bitcoin, guys. Bitcoin and Jasmy. It's the crypto future live stream effect, guys, right? That is some sexy charts right there. A crypto future plus Max podcast would be great. Nice. Yes. I've mentioned Max and I, we're aware and we're talking. So I'm going to have Max on the channel again, hopefully soon. And I know he's watching a lot of NBA basketball right now. He's watching his sons play. So his sons, SUNs, not his sons as in his offspring. so yeah. All right, guys. What else do we got? We're going. If you're watching over on X, feel free to smash that follow button. If you're watching on YouTube, smash that subscribe button, guys. Definitely smash that up. Who knows? Maybe we get an announcement that Jasmy was removed from the innovation zone. We don't know yet. Yeah, exactly, right? We don't know, guys. We don't know. We don't want to get overly upset about it. Let's have a look over at the DXY. What's the DXY doing right now? It's trying to climb its way up, guys. It's trying to climb. We need this to just completely take a crap. That's what we need. We need it down, down, down. What's the hourly look like? Yeah, trying to climb up on the hour. The daily, yeah. So we need this to dump, guys. On the daily, this is making me worry, guys. This is making me worry a little bit on the daily. I'm hoping that we're going to dump. However, I always have to make sure you guys are aware of the possibility, right? Sorry, guys. The internet went out on me there. You got to love when that happens. Got to love when that happens. Just kicks out for like 20 seconds and then comes back. Anyway, where were we? I was looking at the DXY, like I said. So this is having me a little bit worried, guys. We have a potential bull flag happening here on the DXY on the daily. This better not, because if this plays out and pops to the upside, we're going to see a dump in crypto. All risk on assets are going to dump, right? We do not want that to happen. So we need this to take a big old crap to the downside. We don't need the dollar pumping. No, thank you. Anthony, good evening, Rob. Just love how optimistic you are as a person. Always positive vibes. Hey, thank you so much, man. There's enough negativity out there, guys, right? Don't need no FUD. Don't need no negativity. We're here to fight that. So, Mr. Real, to the moon. Absolutely. They don't have a choice. JASMY going up. Absolutely, man. Your video froze. Yeah, internet kicked out briefly. Black screen. It crashed. I thought Rob got excited and froze. He was saying too much fire that yeah, they're trying to shut me down, man. They're trying to shut me down. They're like, this guy's dropping too much alpha. They're like, oh my God, guys, this is what happened. Okay, check this out. I'll show you what happened. Okay, this is exactly what happened. They looked at the charts and they said, look at this. Look at this. Crypto Future is pumping the crap out of Bitcoin. He's pumping the crap out of JASMY. We got to shut him down, guys. We got to shut him down. But you can't stop the Crypto Future effect, guys. You can't stop it, right? My boy using AOL dial-up. Yeah, no kidding, eh? Pissed me off. BTC's looking good right now. Yeah, look at it. Look at this. I don't like this little gap we got here, though. That's not so good. So JASMY could just rug pull. Okay. If you think JASMY is going to rug pull, I mean, I would highly recommend that. I mean, I don't know where that would come from. I don't know where that would come from. AMP. Yeah, AMP's going to do good. AMP will have a decent run. Personally, I don't hold any AMP. It's not my cup of tea, but I mean, it's going to make you money if you're holding it. You'll definitely make some money holding AMP for sure, in my opinion. Weird how the DXY and BTC both up. Yeah, that is a little bit weird. That is a little bit weird. But I was watching a thing today on the Bitcoin dominance is actually starting to look a little bit bearish. So, you know, we could start to see a run in the altcoins. Finally, we're still waiting for that. Any coin can rug pull, man. Oh, of course. Scared money don't make money. Let's go JASMY, 100%. What's the name of the app for the PDL on the Apple? I just shared it a couple of days ago there. It's over in our Discord, Sergio. You're gonna have to go check on the main page in our Discord. It's in there. You're gonna have to scroll up probably, but because I don't have it accessible at the moment. You seem confident JASMY may reach 66 cents by the end of the year and more than $1 next year. I think my targets for JASMY have kind of increased. 66 cents would be very, very bearish scenario, very, very conservative scenario. But I am, because listen, I cover JASMY 3-4 times a day plus 2 live streams. Nobody does more research into JASMY than I do. No one covers it more than I do. So yeah. Damn rights I have confidence, brother. Crypto Future getting swatted. Yeah. I was just asking in regards to what Anthony Merchant was saying, if it leaves the list of Innovation Zone. Oh, if it leaves the Innovation Zone, that means that it's back to normal, right? It's a good thing if it leaves the Innovation Zone. Is it bad to sell my whole bag of JASMY this bull run, or should I save some? Personally, what I'm doing with mine, I'm going to sell 50%. And hang on, I got this. I'm trying to fight a sneeze off here, guys. I don't want to sneeze. I'm going to sell 50% of my JASMY, and I'm going to hold the rest. I'm going to hold the rest for the next bull run. So that's what I'm doing. This green JASMY candle is looking so good. Yeah, let's go back over there. Let's go back over there, man. Boom. Looking so good. Bitcoin just crossed back over 66,000, guys. Listen, I told you guys this yesterday. If Bitcoin hits 71K, if it pumps to 71K, there is $6 billion in shorts that are going to get liquidated. And if that happens, you're going to see a run up on Bitcoin to about 75K, possibly higher, right? So keep an eye on it, guys. Keep an eye on it. We're pumping right now, man. We're pumping on the stream, baby. You'll love to see it. I feel bad for the people who are not here right now. They're missing it. You are missing out on the action. All right. So, yeah, guys, if you're new and you appreciate the fact that JASMY's pumping right now, gotta click that subscribe button, guys. Click it or ticket. JASMY to $1 tonight. Wouldn't that be something? Zay Casino and Sinkus rug pull last night. People lost thousands and thousands. Ouch. I didn't know that there were some rugs last night. Crypto Mason was working with them too. Oof. Yeah, but Crypto Mason works with like everybody though, right? Like that guy will literally take any project that contacts him to work with them. So I'm not entirely shocked at all that he was working with them. Rick D, JASMY lock. Did it happen? Not yet, man. Not yet. Are we not expected the dip anymore, or did we miss it? Listen, like I said, based on the 2017 bull run, guys, 2 weeks after the halving, Bitcoin dumped 38%, right? We had a final flush out. Is it possible we can see it again this time? Absolutely. Yes, it is possible. It's right. So be ready for it. I'm not saying it's for sure going to happen, but it's entirely possible. So always be ready. Love to see it. Appreciate you all. Absolutely. Liquidity. Good to see you, man. I would absolutely save some. I personally am planning to hold all of my JASMY until the next bull run. I will be selling 100% of everything I have. We need more volume. Yes, we do. You pump up JASMY so much, your internet went out. Exactly. What's up, man? Just got in, my guy. Let's go. Welcome in, brother. Welcome, welcome. Good to see you, man. Hope you're pulled over for the night finally, resting it up. I would like to donate some money for your time and research. How do I go about it? You can send a super chat or a super sticker. I think there's a little $ thing in the chat. Yeah, down by where you enter your thing, there's a $ thing to do that. You can send super chats that way, my friend. That would be greatly appreciated, by the way. Greatly appreciated. I always appreciate to have the support of the channel, guys. That's absolutely amazing. So, understood. Thanks for clarifying. No problem, man. No problem whatsoever. Wait till JASMY's sitting on 1 billion plus volume. Oh, man, that's going to be crazy. David, what's up, buddy? Time is money. JASMY's pumping because of the Rob effect in the house. Absolutely, man. Let's freaking go, baby. XRP's jumping up also. Yeah, I'm pretty sure everything's probably pumping pretty nice right now, eh? Yeah, everything just shifted green all of a sudden. H-bar's up. Yeah, looking good, man. Looking good. What are we at with JASMY? Right now, we are at 2 cents 06. Nice. You love to see it. Saving up some money to buy the dip, if anything. Definitely may see some red tomorrow because of the market opening up and grayscale. Yeah, we got to make sure that grayscale doesn't go, dumping on us, right? Steve with the super chat. Thank you so much, brother. Thank you. Again, it's always greatly appreciated, guys, when you guys support the channel. It means everything to me. It really does. And like I said, I'm trying to shift this into doing this full time with you guys. And if I'm able to do that, it's going to enable me to obviously do more live streams, longer live streams, more content, more videos, more everything, right? So that's kind of what I'm hoping to do. I'm kind of transitioning into that. So yeah. Also, hang on a second here. Also, Isaac, if you're having trouble with the super chat thing, you can always just become a member of the Patreon. There's a link in the chat for that, man. If you want to support the channel that way, I just put a link there. You can go ahead and do that. Same type of support, man. Greatly appreciated, my brother. What else do we got? We got more, guys. We got more. What Bitcoin post-halving history tells us about BTC's 2024 prices. Funny, we were just talking about that. So the Bitcoin halving triggered a bull rally for altcoins, but BTC itself did not showcase much volatility. However, if historical data is to be believed, then things might turn bullish for BTC as well. Therefore, AMB Crypto analyzed BTC's state to understand what to expect from it after a few days of halving. Just a few days after the halving, after the much-awaited BTC halving, altcoins began bull rallies, allowing several cryptos to register double-digit growth. Meanwhile, BTC laid low. As it happens, push its price push the price up by a huge margin. According to CoinMarketCap, BTC was up by 2% in the last 24 hours. At the time of writing, it was trading at $64,992 with a market cap of over 1.28 trillion. But there was more to the story, as BTC in the past has displayed similar behavior. Rect Capital, a popular crypto analyst, posted a tweet about past incidents. As per the tweet, BTC's price has always consolidated during the halving months. Back in 2020 and 2016, this indicated that investors might witness less volatility in April, which we have witnessed less volatility in April. But the trend might change in May and June, as historical BTC price has gained bullish momentum in the months following the halving. Therefore, the chances of BTC closing Q2 on a good note seem high. What lies ahead in the short term? If history repeats itself, things might turn volatile for BTC next month. But to see what investors should expect in the short term, AMB Crypto analyzed BTC's metrics. Our analysts of Crypto Quant data revealed that BTC's exchange reserves was dropping. This meant that buying sentiment was dominant. As you can see, look at the reserves crashing downwards, and the same thing, but more dramatically, has been happening this time, guys. The king of crypto, binary CDD, indicates that long-term holders' movements in the last 7 days were lower than average, suggesting that they have a motive to hold their coins. Buying sentiment among U.S. investors was also dominant. As investments from the green Coinbase Premium, this meant that investors were confident in BTC and expected its value to rise in the coming weeks. So very, very bullish, guys. So basically what we're going to see is we're going to see it come down, possibly. But then, listen, I'll put it this way for you, okay? In the last 2 cycles, 6 months after the halving, which would be October of this year, right? In the last cycles, Bitcoin doubled in price from the halving to 6 months later. So if we stick to that same pattern, by October, Bitcoin should be about $128,000 a coin, right? Which means that the altcoins would also be dragged up significantly. That makes for one hell of a good Christmas for everybody, in my opinion, right? So, Isaac, thank you so much, brother, for the super sticker. It means a lot, man. Like I said, the support, guys, it means everything. It really does. Thank you so much, guys. I can never thank you guys enough when you guys are supporting me and helping me out and stuff like that. Travis, same thing, man. Thank you so much, brother, for the super chat. Greatly appreciate you guys. You guys are gonna make me cry, man. You guys are gonna make me cry. I love the support. Thank you so much, man. Thank you so much. I mean that. It says, I like you more than Steve. Thanks for answering my numerous questions. Shots fired at you, Steven. Shots fired. That was funny. That was funny. Come on. That was good. I like you $15 more than Steven does. Oh, that's funny. Henry, what's up, buddy? Elephant in the room. Is there no history for all the Hong Kong money about to come in? Is there no we're talking about no, there's nothing to base it off of. Like there's nothing in the past that we can kind of look at as a projection, right? Because we're in unprecedented times right now, right? Bitcoin spot ETFs for crypto in general are something that like this is uncharted territory that we're in. So all we know is metrics like things, for example, out of Hong Kong and Japan. They were very clear last year that in this bull run, they planned on making a splash. And that's a quote. They plan on making a splash in Web3, right? So, and it looks like they're doing it, man. It looks like they're doing it. Steven, don't tempt me. Challenge accepted. You guys are hilarious. Holy smokes. What else do we got going on? So yeah, very bullish, guys. So if Bitcoin can end up doubling by October in price, guys, imagine I'm looking at by October, if Bitcoin does do what it's been doing over the last two cycles, and it is 128 roughly $1,000 by October, you're got to be looking at a 30 to 40 cent JASMY by that time, guys. You got to be, right? The altcoins are going to be pulled up with it as well. So, and then, guys, and this is the beautiful part, that December-ish, October, November, December, that's when the actual parabolic part of the bull run, that's when it starts. That's not the finish. That's the starting line. So we're talking about $128,000 Bitcoin at the start of the parabolic part of the bull run. Very attainable to get to $200,000 Bitcoin plus by that metric, right? Or according to Plan B, like we've talked about, I've showed you Plan B's charts, he's expecting a $300,000 Bitcoin by the end of this bull run, right? Massive. What is that going to do for the altcoins? All that liquidity pouring into alts afterwards, huge news, guys. Sega not to sue fan. The token. Yeah, the fan token there is the name of the app. Yes, that's right. Yes. Question: after the bull run, how much do you think JASMY will drop? Well, it depends on how high it goes. It's probably going to drop about 90%, right? So if it goes to $1, 90% drop would be about 10 cents per JASMY in the bottom of the bear market, right? So whatever price it peaks at, it's going to fall about 90% from there. I sold 500K, 0.2360 of my JASMY. Rob and recouped 80% of my initial investment. Still holding 2.5 mil. Just seemed like the time to take some. Hey, there's absolutely nothing wrong, man, with taking your initial investment out, Philip. Absolutely, man. Absolutely, right? Take it out. And then, hey, now you're sitting on house money, right? You're sitting on house money now, brother. Absolutely. You now have zero risk for the most part. You're on opium. I'm on opium. Is that a question? Is that a statement? Is that I don't know what that means, Kevin. I'm on hopium, maybe. Maybe I'm on hopium. Still looking good, guys. Still looking good. Thanks for all your hard work, Rob. And I will be joining the Patreon. Thank you, Philip. Thank you for the support, my friend. I look forward to seeing you over on the Patreon, my friend. Absolutely fantastic. Thank you to everybody who's jumped over and joined the Patreon. You guys are absolutely awesome. The support is amazing, guys. And I'm really excited about all the content that I'm bringing over there. So it's only going to get better and better. So, Stephen, however low JASMY goes in bear market, is it a drop in the bucket when you consider the 17? Oh, absolutely. Absolutely. 100%. I think, listen, everyone keeps asking me if I think that they can reach their KPI goals by the peak of the next bull, or like, by 2026. My answer is no. I don't think they'll get to $17 by 2026, because 2026 we're going to spend the entire market crashing downwards, right? However, by 2029, 2030, the next bull run, I do think that they're going to get there by then. I think they're going to knock it out of the park by that time, guys. That's why I'm keeping 50% of my bag, right? So, what's better than JASMY to put those profits in? Better than JASMY? I don't know. Like your profits from JASMY, you mean? If you want to take profits from JASMY, roll it into something else. Swift coin, maybe? Did you H? Did I H? I'm missing what you're saying, brother. Let me know what you mean, Travis. I got you covered, man. Took some JASMY and Miria and swapped some to Swift 1 mil a while ago. All in profit. Hope for the best. Still holding 900K JASMY. 900. Nice. Those are some nice bags, man. Nice bags, Angelo. I'm so happy JASMY closed above 2 cents for the weekly close. Yeah, very nice. Very nice. Hopefully we have a good start to the week tomorrow, though, guys, right? That's what we got to see. That's what we got to see, man. We need to keep the bullish momentum going. I'm hoping we don't see that, guys. Like, listen, a lot of people, like I talked about how in 2017 we had a 38% dip 2 weeks after the halving, right? And I also said that I think that this time around we'll probably see closer to a 20 to 25% dip. However, a lot of people think that because we had the all-time high before the halving, that we had that dip before the halving instead of after, right? So we may not see that pullback after the halving, a couple weeks after the halving, but be ready in case we do, right? So that being said, guys, it is very well possible that we might just see JASMY and like, the whole market just continue up on an upward slant until I guess that would mean that the 6 months after the halving would probably be closer to September instead of October as well, right? So, well, we could be going early, guys. We could be going early, but we're going to stay on top of it, right? Hubbard, are you related to Rob Hubbard? Funky action, no, bud. How do YouTubers get their Coinbase? How do YouTubers get their Coinbase to say have a preference field on their interface? I don't use Coinbase like at all. I have a Coinbase account, but I've literally never funded it. I've never put any money into it or anything. So I do not know at this point in time, my friend. I do not know at this point in time. So yeah. What else? Do we have anything else going on here? Just watching those charts pump away. JASMY's looking good. Bitcoin's looking good. Yeah, absolutely love it, guys. All right. Well, excited about the content that I have scheduled for tomorrow, guys. We got some good stuff going on. So if you're new, like I said, guys, make sure you're smashing that subscribe button. And yeah, like I said, join the Patreon, whatever it is, join the member side if you want to be a member. You're getting exclusive content on both sides, man. So the support is greatly appreciated by you guys for sure. And yeah, but guys, I am going to go and watch a movie or something. It's 11 o'clock here. So I will have the chart streaming a little bit later. What do we got? Good morning, Rob and Crypto Family from Ireland. Good morning, man. You got here late, my friend. It's getting close to the end of April. Hopefully they keep their promise for the lockup. Yeah. Like I'm talking to Jesse. I'm hoping to have him on the channel in the next couple of days, and that's what we're going to talk about it, right? So 100 people watching. Everyone hit that like, says Shane. Absolutely, man. Yes. If you're watching, smash the like, guys. Smash it up. And also smash the subscribe button. Steven, good night, Rob. See you tomorrow. Thank you so much for your support as always, Steven. You're absolutely amazing, man. Rob, is this two different charge for Patreon and membership? Does Patreon cover both? Philip, if you just want to do, if you want, listen, I created a new tier on the member side, which is going to grant you access to the Patreon content as well. So you can just do that over here on the member side. It's the higher tier level on members. Or you can jump over to the Patreon and get that unique content that we have over there. Uploaded quite a few videos there today, actually. So you could do both. You could do either or. You could do the upper tier level on the member side. So hopefully that helps, my friend. So yeah. But yeah, guys. All right, I'm gonna get something to eat, guys. Thank you so much for all your support. Again, guys, remember, mark it on your calendars for tomorrow. I got special guest tomorrow evening, Run My Crypto. He's going to be on the channel. We're going to talk. I already confirmed with him this evening. We're going to talk all things JASMY. So make sure you guys are here for that tomorrow. And I'm looking forward to it, guys. We're going to have a good chat. We're going to have a good time. So I will see you guys tomorrow. Have a good night, guys.